Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear learners. Warm welcome to my channel Digital Schooling 1 to 10. Today we will start our new topic, NoonQutni. It is a very important lesson. Uh, it is short but very important lesson. Now we will start with dua. سبحانك لا علم لنا إلا ما علمتنا إنك أنت العليم الحكيم رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي واجعل لي وزيرا من أهلي رب يسر ولا تعسر وتمم بالخير وبك نستعين يا فتاح يا فتاح يا فتاح. In noon Qutni topic, first of all, we will see its definition. Okay, what is non-Qutni and where does it work? Okay, in simple way for the beginners, we will say that when we want to say two words in one breath, we use in between two words a tiny or short noon with kasra. This short noon with kasra is called NoonQutni. In further videos, we will learn more details. Okay, now first I will read for you, and then after me, you will read it. Um, uh, Here we see that Qadir and Allazi. Okay, Qadir is a separate word and Allazi is another separate word. We will say in one breath, we will use noon kasra, tiny noon. It is called noon Qutni. قاف زبر قا دالیا زر دی قدیر و پیش رو قدیر نون لام زر نل لام زبر لا. We will read lam two times. Noon lam zer nil lam zabar la nil la dalia zer di qadiru nilladhi. We must see that alif will be present over there. Okay, we should see this one, this alif. Okay, this alif will remove from here, go away from here, and noon lam zer nil. Noon will be used here with join lam. Okay, qadiru nillazi. When we want to separate it, we can separate it. Okay, qadir and allazi. Hamza lam zabar al lam zabar la zaliya zaidi allazi. Qadir allazi or qadiru nillazi. Okay. Next one is uh, lampesh lu mim zabar ma za zabar za luma za tazir ti luma zati nun lam zer nil lam zabar la zalia zer zi lazi luma zati nillazi. Okay. Here we have read it with a one breath. Okay, lomaza is a separate word and allazi is a separate word. When we will join these, we will use noon qutni or noon kasra or short name. We can say lomaza ti nillazi no hu Nibnahu. Nuh is an separate word. Nu is a separate word, and Ibna. Ibna. Ibna is a separate word. Okay. Ibnahu. Nuhu nibnahu. Khaya zabar khay. Ra zabar ra. Khayra nun lam zer nil. Khayra nil. Waw zabar wa. Swad ya zer si. या ज़बर या, वसिया तो पेश टू, खैरनिल वसीयतु, खैर एक is a separate word and wasiya is another separate word. Okay, khair, when we will join this noonqutni with noonqutni, we say khairanil wasiyatu. Shin ya zabar shay, hamza zabar a, shay'a, noon taze nit ta zabar ta, shay'a nitta, kha zabar kha, zal zabar za, ha alif zabar ha, shay'a nitta khadaha. Okay. Well, now this is your today lesson, and you will have to repeat it again and again. Now we end with lesson with dua. Subhana rabbika rabbil izzati amma yasifun wa salamun alal mursaleen walhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Allah Hafiz.